So here we are with my LS XR4040. Firewood, we've had load after load in the front bucket. My dealer is great. I bought this tractor at Mendenhall Farms. That's the hat that I wear all the time. So where are LS tractors made? They are made in South Korea. And then the parts are shipped over to the United States, and then they're assembled in different warehouses. So comfort, it's fuel efficient, it's built well. I can say that from when I had it in some pretty nasty spots. Now, as far as why I bought this one is because I got to see firsthand other people using theirs. I got to see my dad and my uncle using their two LS tractors. My dad had a 27 horse and my uncle had a 41 horse. This is an XR4040, a 40 horsepower tractor. My uncles, my dads, my brother, and my brother-in-laws, they all have LS tractors and they've all been great tractors for all of them. This tractor is a fun little tractor to drive. This is my first project with it. And it had no trouble at all handling that 5-foot tiller. My wife, she's never hardly been on tractors. She loved to run this thing. It was very easy for her to figure out and learn how to run. So I think that's a major bonus with this tractor as well.
Yeah, that was fun. I want to do that again.
But that's a nice sized tractor. It's not as big as mine. It doesn't sit on as big of a frame, and it's powerful. It went up and did my fields, and some of those hills are pretty steep. The LS is doing a great job here. This is a big job for this tractor. We've done a good many things with this tractor, and everything that I've tried, it has done. So we're 100 hours into owning this tractor, and if you would ask me if I would buy another LS, I can honestly say that I would, and I would not worry about it. So I get asked a lot, would you buy another LS tractor? And even before we signed our deal with LS this year, the answer is yes, I would. Basically though, these tractors will last you a lifetime if you take care of them.